When starting a row using double treble front post, your very first one is only going to be chaining of 4. Using double treble is that you chain 5, and that's because the height is slightly different than when you go to use the front post of your next stitch. So chain only 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Coming into your next stitch, just like you see here, you're going to wrap a total of 3 times. So yarning over 3 times, and you're going to go from the side of the post and then back out the other side. So in one side, out the other. Pull through 2, 2, and 2's all the way back to the top. And that is a front post double treble. So wrapping the hook 3 times into the next stitch, one side, out the other, pull through 2, 2, 2, all the way back to the top. Okay, and you're gonna do this all the way down to the end of your row. So wrapping 3 times, I apologize, and you keep on going. So the one you want to pay attention to is the very last stitch, because you cannot apply a double treble in the very final in order to keep the balance. So my very next stitch is the turning chain. So when you go to do the very final here, it's gotta be a treble, not a double treble. So you're only gonna wrap twice and then going into the turning chain, never to a gap space, go right into the chain, pull through, and then continue to pull through 2's all the way back to the top. So that would be how you would complete that. So if you turn your work to begin another row of this, you're only gonna chain 4 instead of 5, and then you're going to begin your double treble front post. So wrapping 3 times and then begin again. And now if you keep going back and forth always using the front post like this, you're gonna have the ridges appear on the back sides of every row. Okay, so you turned it so the ridge appears on this side, but now the ridge is starting to appear on the back side over here. So this would be how you would complete then a double treble front post.